Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Miss Amber Gold and I'm back with another video. This video is going to be Halloween themed. I'm so excited. I'm basically recreating looks. I seen this cool like mask one by Nikkie tutorials and I'm excited about this look. I'm kind of nervous because it's a recreating look. In the meantime, let's get to it. So first what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and trace out the outline of the mask. Bear with me guys, I'm not good at tracing. Hopefully this works. Like, I just bought these packs of brushes in this Wet n Wild paint pot. So I hope this works. Oh my gosh, this could work. Okay, let's just start over. Let's try this. This could probably work better. Ooh, paint pots. Oh my gosh, I wish my hands weren't so freaking shaky. What you shaking for?
Get me. Oh, I'm killing it. Whoa.
Nutmeg by Black Opal. And this will be the face. I'm debating if I should do a slightly lighter one because this is literally almost my skin tone. And I think she did like a lighter. I'm just gonna blend it out and see how I like it. If I don't like it, then I'm definitely gonna switch it. Alright. So I'm staying in the lines. I feel like I want to like do a lighter one. I don't know. Why didn't she explain this in the video? Like, girl, did you do a lighter one or no? I think I'm gonna go in with Truly Topaz. Yeah, I think I am. And just make it slightly like a lighter, because I want this to be like a mask. And we're blending. What do we do? We blend. We blend. Oh, I love to blend. Because I did like a lighter foundation, I think I'm gonna do a lighter concealer. This isn't gonna match me, obby. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I should do this. Oh my gosh, it's so light. What ifs? Okay, well, when we blend it out, it's like not so bad. Next, I'm going to set it with Elf, like Santa Claus, like Christmas, you know, Elf. I want to laugh so bad, like, I don't even know, honestly, what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, I just now noticed she did her lips. I didn't even do my lips. Like, what is wrong with you? Amber, what is wrong with you? How are you gonna do a mask and you don't even do your lips? Girl. Oh shoot, I didn't even, oh my gosh, I'm like slacking. How did I not draw a line on my lips? Like, why didn't you guys tell me? You're supposed to be looking out for me. What is wrong with y'all? See, like, maybe I should mix it a little bit with this nutmeg. Only because there's nutmeg underneath here. Powder on this too. I'm about to do me eyes. I have a brand new, you know, pencil. I just got it today at Walmart, 93 cents on sale. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just do my brows. Up. If I get out of frame, I apologize because I really need to like really see what I'm doing. I'm gonna try this new method that she did. She actually brushed her eyebrows down. See, I usually just brush mine up and then kind of like, you know, cinch it over and do the rest, but she brushes them up, trace the line, then brush it down. So I never did this before. I really hope it turns out good. Alright, so maybe I think she's doing it a little bit more bolder. So what I'm just gonna do is actually just press down a little harder just to make sure my eyebrows are extremely bold, I guess. Oh, what I'm gonna do actually, I am going to set this with my dual, I don't even know what this is called. It's like gel. So basically eyelashes on one side, like mascara, and then brown mascara on the other side, but it's clear. And it's like ice cream on a hot day. Alright, so I'm just actually just gonna set this with some, I think this is actually looking pretty good. To make it vibrant like her, I'm just gonna do it with a little bit lighter concealer just to make it. And she didn't use any setting powder, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out because I always use setting powder before putting my eyeshadow on. I'm just going to do what the boss tells me. Okay, so for my palette, I'm gonna be using two different palettes: Magnifying Eye Rainbow Edition by Rimmel and NickaK. This is my favorite part, honestly, because I just love playing in colors so bad. It's like a kid in a candy store. Color at the top right here. Can you all see that? I'm thinking a bluish color. Yeah, like a light blue maybe. Ooh. Okay, so next she did a pink, so I'm just going to use this pink right here. Okay, that's what's up. Then she does like, I want to say maybe like a deep blue, so I'm just going to use the blue from the Rimmel London palette. I'm about to cut the crease. True Color from Black Opal. I'm so nervous. I hate cutting creases. Like, I'm still in the beginner stage, trying my best to learn. I think I'm going to use some of the my foundation stick too from Black Opal. Whew. I can breathe. Oh my gosh. Now I'm just going to make sure that this lid does not move. I'm going to set it with my Perfect Finish HD powder, of course. So it looks like she goes back in with an orange and then a yellow at the very bottom of the rainbow color scheme. So that's what I'm going to do as well. I know this is kind of weird, guys, but this lipstick, I do have orange, bright orange at that. Oh, it's actually working. So she does her eyeliner next. Because this is kind of waterproof, semi-permanent, once this goes on, it's hard to get off. So I'm actually going to trace it with the paint pot Wet n Wild that I use to trace my face, and then I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. Okay, I kind of already messed up because she doesn't go all the way in. She actually kind of stopped right here, but hey, it is what it is. Alright, so now I'm about to go back in with my waterproof one. Okay, so next she does like a fuchsia and like orange color underneath. Okay, I'm about to put on my eyelashes real quick. I didn't have any bottom lashes like how she did, so I just like really double, triple, quadruple coated my, excuse me, bottom lashes. Glitter. I got my rhinestones on. I don't want to talk too much because I don't want them to fall off. Then I'm gonna go in and like kind of contour the outside a little bit. I went in with my contour palette by LA Colors, and I'm using this darker shade. Next, I'm going in with some blush. This is Maybelline Fit Me, number 50. So I'm gonna go in with some highlight, and this is my favorite highlighter. It's so perfect. I lost my highlighter brush, and by the time I was making this video, I don't even know where it's at. So I'm gonna line my lips a little bit. I'm gonna use Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Cream Liquid. It smells so good. It literally smells like strawberry banana. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like clean up the area so that way it can look like an actual mask on my face. I'm actually really happy, like this whole me recreating her look, actually I feel like I'm pulling it off. What do you guys think so far? So I'm gonna go ahead and contour the lines out to create kind of like a shadow. Okay, so I'm just taking the brown from my palette and then some brown eyeshadow to do this actually. So why was I talking the entire time and it wasn't even recording? I put these two on. This is a lip gloss by Milani. It's like really like super pretty. So I just added this orange lip gloss. It's like actually matte lip gloss. It's a dual lip gloss, so it has liquid on one side, glitter on the other side. Next, we're gonna make this 3D. Okay, so we're gonna do, let's do white. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. This was actually really fun. Nikkie tutorials, yeah, her look was flawless. I hope that it looks somewhat good. Hopefully I passed. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.